representing. So if I have a bar graph and I want to label this axis, I need to not only scale it, which is writing the numbers, but I need you to tell me what those mean, what each of those values mean, what does this represent, okay? So we're labeling, showing me what each axis represents, and scaling it, telling me what it's going by. Scale is the increments that it's going by. Jake, one question.
Isn't there like a symbol with like a squiggly line to like represent a number that like when you put at the bottom of zeros, you can put like a squiggly line like change the number?
We'll get to that. It's when you're jumping. It's when you're skipping a bunch of different scaling. When you're skipping the scaling and going further, yes. You're not going directly from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. You're not going to the same thing, yes. Okay, questions on label and scale. Okay, so after I label and scale my axes, what do I then do? What do I then do after I label and scale my axes? Gerard, what do I then do?
Put the numbers.
Okay, but where do I get the numbers? From the, I can't hear you. I hear people writing. I don't want to see anybody writing. We're not moving ahead. You said it, but you just didn't say loud enough. From the data. You are then going to use the data to build your bars. You need to be staying at the same place, guys. Okay? So the second thing you're going to do after you label and scale your axes, you are going to use the data to draw the bars. There's something special about bars in a bar graph. What's special? What's special about the bars in a bar graph? Meaning, what do they have to look like? Think about that. In a bar graph, what do the bars have to look like? The bar. Okay, they're rectangles, but what else? Tell me something else that's special about them. Okay, some of them have to be shaded in, yeah. There's something else. Pick one.
Just to be separated?
They have to be separated. Very good, Javon. They have to be separated. If they're not separated, what do they represent? If they're not, if you see a graph that has bars that aren't separated, what is that really? Do you remember from last year? Bonus point for this. What is that if they're not separate? Shane. If you see a graph that has bars and they're not separate, what is that? Mikhail. No. If I remember, mahogany. What is it called? Okay, what is it called? No. Last try.
Is it a line graph?
A histogram. You guys may have done it last year. You're going to have to compare histograms and bar graphs. On the test, they'll give you a multiple choice, and some of the data will have the